Domino's Pizza. You know it, you love it, and you crave it. But did you know this pizza titan started with just 500 bucks? That's right, a measly 500 quid. Today, it's a global empire worth billions of dollars. How did they do it? Pure bloody brilliance, that's how. Get ready because we're about to dive deep into the Domino's success story. It's a wild ride of risk, innovation, and enough cheesy goodness to feed a small country. 1960, Ypsilanti, Michigan. A small town with big dreams and even bigger ambitions. Brothers Tom and James Monahan scraped together $500 to buy a small pizza joint called Domino's. It wasn't much, but it was a start. They had no idea what the future held, but they were determined to make it work. James bailed early, trading his share for a Volkswagen Beetle. Can you imagine? A car for a dream. It seemed like a fair trade at the time, but little did he know what he was leaving behind. Tom, left holding the pizza cutter, renamed it Domino's. The name was simple, catchy, and it stuck. It was the beginning of something much bigger than either brother could have imagined. Little did he know, he was holding the recipe for a global empire. An empire built on dough, sauce, and a relentless drive to succeed. Tom Monahan wasn't some Wall Street hotshot. He didn't have a fancy degree or a trust fund. He was a regular bloke with a dream bigger than a deep dish pizza. He had a vision, a passion, and a work ethic that wouldn't quit. He saw potential where others saw risk. He poured his heart and soul into that little shop. Every pizza was a labor of love, every delivery a step closer to his dream. He knew that success wouldn't come easy, but he was ready to put in the work. Long hours, tireless work, and a focus on what mattered. Good pizza delivered fast. Tom believed that if he could get the basics right, everything else would follow. And he was right. His dedication paid off, and Domino's became a household name. It wasn't all sunshine and clear skies for Domino's in the beginning. The journey was filled with challenges and hurdles. Domino's hit some serious speed bumps along the way. Competition was fierce, with numerous pizza joints vying for the same customers. Keeping up with deliveries was a logistical nightmare. But Tom Monahan, the founder, was a tough cookie. He knew he had to adapt, to innovate, or risk getting swallowed whole by the competition. His answer? The 30-minute delivery guarantee. It was a bold move, a promise that no one else dared to make at the time. Revolutionary. It was a gamble, sure, but it paid off big time. The risk was enormous, but so were the rewards. Customers loved the speed, the reliability. They knew they could count on Domino's for a quick hot meal. Domino's became synonymous with fast, hot pizza. The brand's reputation soared as they consistently delivered on their promise. And that, my friends, is how you build a brand from the ground up. Through innovation, determination, and a bit of risk-taking, Domino's transformed from a struggling business to a household name. Tom wasn't done yet. He had a vision that went beyond just running a successful pizza joint. He wanted to create an empire, a brand that would be synonymous with quality and convenience. He knew that to achieve this, he needed to think bigger, to innovate and expand in ways that others hadn't even considered. He knew that to truly conquer the pizza world, he needed to multiply his forces. Enter franchising. Brilliant. By allowing others to buy into his vision, he could expand rapidly without shouldering all the risk himself. It was a win-win situation. Franchisees got a proven business model, and Tom got to see his brand grow exponentially. He let others buy into his winning formula, spreading the Domino's magic far and wide. And spread it did. From small towns to bustling cities, Domino's stores began to appear everywhere. The brand's presence grew stronger with each new location, creating a network of pizza lovers who knew they could count on Domino's for a delicious meal. Stores popped up faster than mushrooms after a spring rain. Each new opening was a celebration, a testament to the brand's growing popularity. The rapid expansion was not just about numbers, it was about creating a community of loyal customers who felt a connection to the brand. But Tom, he was clever. He knew that expansion alone wasn't enough. He needed to ensure that each store maintained the high standards that Domino's was known for. Quality control became a top priority, with rigorous training programs and regular inspections to keep everything up to par. He didn't just want more stores, he wanted better stores. He invested in modernizing the interiors, upgrading the kitchens with the latest technology, and ensuring that every customer had a top-notch experience. The goal was to make each Domino's store a place where people loved to come, not just for the pizza, but for the overall experience. he embraced technology, streamlining the ordering process, making it easier than ever to get your hands on a piping hot Domino's pizza. Online ordering, mobile apps, and efficient delivery systems became the norm, setting Domino's apart from its competitors. The focus was on convenience and customer satisfaction. He was a pioneer, always one step ahead. His innovative approach and relentless drive to improve ensured that Domino's remained at the forefront of the pizza industry. Tom's vision and leadership turned a small pizza place into a global phenomenon, a brand that continues to thrive and innovate to this day. Conclusion. Domino's success story teaches us powerful lessons. 1. Adapt to feedback. Listen to your customers and be bold enough to change. 2. Focus on what you do best. Delivering hot pizza fast made them unstoppable. 3. Embrace technology. Domino's didn't just sell pizza, they became a tech-driven delivery powerhouse. So, next time you bite into a slice of Domino's, remember, that pizza represents resilience, innovation, and the power of a $500 dream. If you enjoyed this video and want more inspiring business stories, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this.